Okay guys, so I finally got to sit down and film a different kind of video, a more dramatic look, but it was definitely inspired by summer. As you guys can tell on my face, it's like the sunset. I am so in love with it. I think it's bright and fun and summery and shimmery and just makes me want to throw on a bikini or something and go on the beach and sit all day. I was definitely inspired by my nails to do this look and my little candle right here that says summertime soda pop. All right guys, so keep on watching if you want to see how I get this look. Bye. I grabbed this palette, which is the Salty, pretty, especially that yellow. It's matching my nails so perfectly, guys. I went in with the Age Rewind, and this is what is on my eye. It's in light pale. Yo, y'all are pretty darn close. So I'm firstly gonna stamp it on. Ooh, this reminds me of the one in the Makeup by Shayla palette. I don't remember what it's called. I'll put it on the screen. So I'm just gonna stamp it in right here. Don't be alarmed, okay? So taking up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna start tilting my head up. We should end up having something like this, and I didn't have a hard time blending this out. If you do, it's because if you are using this method of not setting the concealer, it's because of course it's gonna act as the powder trying to set the cream. So just stamp on more, like you'd stamp on more, and then just blend it out and it should come out. Brush, like a little tiny brush like this. So I'm just taking the pigment, pressing it here. Yeah, you're seeing it much better. Oh, that looks so good, guys. All right, so I'm using that same bullet brush, and I think, sorry, the next color I'm gonna go in with is, press it, because it's getting darker, right? I'm putting it right here. So today, right, I went running, and because I'm big chested, I typically wear two bras. So I'll wear a bone one to keep my boobs secure or whatever, and then I'll put on a sports bra, because just a sports bra just really isn't doing anything for me. So I think I just have to be secure and wear both. So yeah, I was running, and then I started to feel pain, right? And I'm feeling the pain, and I'm just like, well, what is happening? So then I stopped and I came back home, and then I looked, and the bone of the bra, it was actually poking through my skin and actually ripped my skin, right? And so I was there going in back with this brush and just blending it out. I'm not additional product, it's just what is on the brush. Yeah, so, and I'm just going in circular motions right here. Right, so when I was running, yeah, it was poking my skin, and then I came home and I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe that it's actually tearing my skin. Like, what is this? I say that to say this is, you know, some people, I don't know what the problem is with plastic surgery, or what people think is the problem with plastic surgery. I don't have a problem with it, and I would never have a problem like with people trying to better themselves, or doing a better, what they think is a better version of themselves, whether or not it be just to be vain or something that has to do with your health. Like, for example, I have scoliosis or whatever, so I would get my breasts reduced because I have a slight curve of my spine. You understand? But like other persons who probably are just small chested and want bigger bust, like I don't have a problem. Like if you want to change your body, like go ahead and change your body. It's your body. And I don't get what's the problem with people thinking that it's so bad for you to go ahead and you know, enhance your beauty, enhance what you have. Like if you have the means to go ahead and do plastic surgery, like it's your body, like go ahead and do it, right? I really don't get what's the problem people saying. And body shaming people, or not even body shaming, but just making people feel bad for even trying to go and get their right here. And I'm just stamping it on. That looks similar to the one that I just used, so it's not a big difference. Right, and so I mean, I would go and do the surgery just to get rid of that pain. And you know, I really wanted to run. I really wanted to go run today, and you know, because of that pain, I just felt like I couldn't. And if I have the means to go and do a reduction, or to do plastic surgery, or not even just that, but something else to make myself feel better, I wouldn't want anybody to make me feel bad about doing plastic surgery, because you know, as I said, it's your body. You can do whatever you want to do with it. It's just weird that people go ahead and body shame or make you feel bad for trying to no additional product, make you feel bad for trying to make yourself feel better. Like that's just crazy. I think if you have the means to go and do it, then go and do it. There's nothing wrong with it. If it's gonna make your health better, then go ahead. If it makes you feel better, your confidence feel better, go ahead. Like that's all I say. I have to say about that matter. Pull out my eyes and stamp it right here. Because I had like that shade. Alright guys, so I was having some technical difficulties, so I went ahead and did one eye off camera, but now I'm back to show you in details with my thoughts together exactly what I could do. I'm just gonna use the same age rewind concealer, and I'm gonna put it on this little tiny brush. So I put an ample amount of concealer on it. I put some of the concealer down. Alright, so basically the hard part is done, and all I'm gonna do now is just feather it out. Now I went in with Raise, which is right here. Then I went in with Sol, which is here, and then I'm gonna go with Helios. Alright, so going in first with Raise. And what I found as well with especially Sol, it was better with the finger. With this little bullet brush and to dusk, put a little bit on it, and then just stamped it here, going over Helios a little bit, and I'm just doing this to blend it out, and then going back into Helios and putting that back over it, and voila, magic, it's blended. So that's pretty much it for the eyes. I'm gonna go do my face and then I'll be back. I'll put on some lashes and then we'll wrap this video up. All right, so that is looking a little bit better and I am extremely happy with how the eyes came out finally, guys. You know, I got you guys locked. Once I have some free time to sit down by myself, my creative side comes out and I can do more creative looks and not those basic ones, even though nothing is wrong with being basic. You know, sometimes you can't always be glam. All right, but this is the eyes again and I hope you enjoyed this summertime fun look. I definitely wish I had somewhere going, but you guys know I don't have anywhere to go, so bye. See you later in another video. Hey, miss me though. All right, bye guys.